Okay, so I'll be doing some dumb stuff in in here. So, okay, let's get started with this. So the first one I'm gonna do is like the simplest one yet. Ca- just commit supernova and murder the entire. It's too early for this. Hi, Mom. I'm good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I missed your call. Oh, I just made a supernova.
You just saw the supernova.
Yep, I just made a supernova. Look.
Whoa.
Okay. Sorry for that, but it's time to go into our second thing. What happens if we collide Mercury with the Sun? What will happen? Okay, so Mercury's currently he no longer in orbit around the Sun. This is just gonna be nightmarish, so let me just triple the speed. Oh wait, did I actually do this? Okay, the the concept of Mercury just obliterated into pieces in asteroids. But let's do the next. What if a black hole collides with another black hole? Let's find out. Okay, we have a black hole in its orbit. Oh, the black hole just transformed. And what if we throw the black hole all over the place? Okay, well, it looks like the Earth and Moon just got out of orbit, and, well, looks like that's the end for our solar system, causing a supernova. We just made a supernova, okay? That's all we have for today. Bye, and also comment which dumb things I should do next in Solar Smash, and I'll do that. Anyways, bye.